I'm going to show you how to create a simple game, that is guessing the number game using Java. So first of all, I have fired my IntelliJ IDE, and after firing it, I will create a new class, Java class, and name it as guessing the number. After creating this, I'll make the main method. After making the main method, I'll make a class and name it as game. And in this class I'll make all the methods. First of all, I'm going to make an integer public int number. Then I'll make a public int input number, the number which we are going to input. And then I'll make a public int get number of guesses, number of guesses, the number of guesses which we are going to guess, and initialize it as 0. So now I'll make one method, public int get number of guesses, which is getted, and then I'll return the number of guesses. And then I'll make the setter of this, and public set number I will write void set number of guesses, and I will give the int number of guesses, and this dot number of guesses equals to number of guesses. And now I'll make a game constructor. In this constructor I'll make one random class and generate a random number. This dot number equals to array.nextInt, and I will give the bound as 10. And then I will make one method, public void take user input and take the user input. So I'll make scanner class, guess the number, and I'll make the scanner class scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and now input number equals to sc.nextInt. So now I'll make another method and name it as boolean is correct number, and number of guesses plus. Then I'll write the condition, if input number equals to number, then print you guessed, yes you guessed it right, then it was %d, and what is one %d \n and you guessed it in %d attempts. And then I will give the values of %d. First value is guessed number, and another value is number of guesses. So now it's done, and I'll make another condition, if input number, sorry I forgot to return true, if input number is less than number, then print too low, and if input number is greater than number, then print too high, then return false. So now we'll write the code in our main class, main method. I'll make the object of this game constructor, and then I'll make boolean b equals to false, and then I'll start while loop, while not b, then g dot take user input, b equals to g dot take user input is correct number, and print b. So I'm getting one error. So what is this error? So I forgot to write the comma here. So I'll fix it, and I need to, what I am getting error. So yeah, I need to write system.out.format here. So format, yes, so it's done. Now our game is ready. Now I'll run our code. So it's building. Guess the number. So I guess 12. So it's saying too high. I guess 10. So it's getting too high. 9 too high. 8 too high. 2. Yes, you guessed it right. It was 2. Yes. So I am getting here 15, 5, 2. So now if I write bound as 50, so I need to guess the number between 1 to 50. So I will guess as 30. It's saying too low. Now I'll guess 40. It's saying too high. I will guess 35. Getting too low. 37 too low. 38, 39. Yes, you guessed it right.